In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add additional categories and customize them step by step. This is a simple but powerful feature that helps you stay more organized, especially if you manage multiple items, accounts, or workflows inside the software. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find the categories section, how to create new categories, and how to customize them with colors so everything is easier to identify at a glance. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the Settings button. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the Settings menu. This is where most customization and account level options are located. Once the Settings page opens, take a moment to look through the different sections available. You'll want to navigate to the Accounts section. Inside this section, you'll find an option labeled Categories. Go ahead and click on Categories to open the Category Management screen. This is where you can view all existing categories and create new ones based on your needs. Now that you're in the Categories section, look for the option that says Create New. This is usually displayed as a label or button near the top or side of the page. Click on Create New to start adding an additional category. A new input field will appear, allowing you to name your category. Choose a name that clearly represents what the category will be used for so it's easy to recognize later. After naming your category, the next step is to customize it. You'll see an option to assign a color to the category. Click on the color selector and choose a color that stands out or matches your workflow. Using different colors for different categories can make a huge difference when you're scanning through lists or managing multiple items. Once you've selected the color, double-check the name and color to make sure everything looks correct. Then save or confirm the category depending on the option shown on your screen. Your new category will now appear in the list along with your existing ones. You can repeat these same steps anytime you need to add more categories or update your organization system. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added an additional category and customized it with a color. This small setup step can really improve your efficiency and make your workspace much easier to manage. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.